7 block B. Style. Okay, so this is a fully furnished 2-bedroom unit. Has an open layout style. Recess here. Additional styling. TV, sharp aqua smart TV here. Yeah, we're at the 20th floor, so this is a high floor unit. This is at the very top of these buildings here. A little river view there that you can get through the buildings. You can see the swimming pool there and the courtyard below us. The aircon does wonders for sure. Here, we have a bar counter here. Lighting, setup, shoe cabinet here. Oh, washer and dryer, I see. This is a brand new fridge. Sticker still inside. Microwave there. Whirlpool. First time I saw a whirlpool. 2-burner. You have your hood. Electric locks above, which the other apartment did not have a hood. And this is a washing machine and dryer. Front-loading dryer, electric locks, different options, cotton mix, synthetic, delicates, etc. Water heater for Relly, so that is installed. All have this old, traditional, almost Victorian. Okay, dining table's nice. Brown leather chairs. It's our first bathroom. Different layout. It's on the opposite side here. Nice built-in cabinet, shelving space there. The space, and look, we got another mirror here. But oh, there it goes. Now it finally works fine. So that's cool. Or just some accent light. First bedroom. Nice, comfortable, soft bed. Leather headrests. Cool. Cabinet here. Very spacious. And this is another blackout curtains, very thick. The sheer ceiling windows. It's cool. Right. This opens up. Screen door. Sets of lights. Sets. Aircon. TV setup here. Short windows. So these are the cabinets, upper and lower, and they're very, very deep cabinets. So definitely enough storage space here. And we have another Samsung digital inverter. Very high ceilings in this. I'm not sure if it's higher than the This cabinet does have a lower drawer. I do want to show that detail there. Another smart mirror built in here. Air dryer. And this has the rainfall shower head. Then there, I can show you. There's a door stop. It's standard with chef. This one is a textured wallpaper. Style on this side. Pattern. Just want to show that detail. Put some bar stools there, just notice. Keyless entry, fingerprint, keypad, or swipe card.